Hi, this is one video of the FAQ series for ImageSorter, an app available on the AppExchange. More info on the app in the video description, as well as a link to the full playlist containing a video of the app. Question: what happens when my users are deleting images? Can I undo any mistakes? Yes, you can. Images that are being deleted are sent to the standard recycle bin in Salesforce. So the standard rules are applied how long files are kept in the recycle bin. And the app has a shortcut which takes the user to the recycle bin. But before we actually go through restoring an image from the recycle bin, let me also talk a little bit about what happens behind the scenes or under the hood. So ImageSorter comes with a couple of reports that give you insight, you as an admin, into what happens in the system. First, we have the image deletion logs. So whenever an image is deleted, whether it be when the user clicks a button or automatically based upon the blacklist entries, one image deletion log entry is created. So in here, you can see which file was deleted. We also have the record ID here. You can see who deleted it and when. So this serves as an audit trail. This list is automatically kept for 30 days. You can shorten or increase this time frame via a simple custom setting in the setup. What happens after 30 days? A job runs every day and deletes what is older than 30 days, also making sure that the data storage consumption is not exploding here. And as said, if you wish, you can increase the length of this audit trail. Second, we have the block list being kept in the system. So in the demo, we deleted 2 images. That's why we have 2 block list entries for these 2 images. Now, if we go back to the case and act as a user who is restoring an image, let's go from the case to the recycle bin. And let's say, we do want to keep this image that we previously deleted. We just select it here, click restore. And if we go back to the case, we will see the image again, which is here. And it's not showing in the image sorter because the system marks it automatically as to being kept. And if we go to our block list entries, it's only one entry because the block list entry was, when we restored the image, also automatically removed, making sure that in the future this image is not automatically being deleted. So that's it. I hope I could answer the question that you had here. If you have a need for further discussion, you can send me an email. And there is also a link to a more detailed security white paper in the video description. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.